let's start with chapter number 2, how the earth looks. So in the previous chapter, we have studied the earth is like a very huge ball. It is so huge that only small part of it is seen. So a model of earth is called globe, and the globe is round like earth. Even on a globe, we can see only half of it. So we can rotate it to see the other half, right? So a globe is used to study different parts of the earth, but it is very difficult to show small places on the globe. A big globe cannot be used because it is not quadratic. So to solve this problem, we use map. What is a map? It is a drawing of the earth or a part of it. A map can be big as well as small. It is easy to carry map. It can be folded, right? So understand the place of the earth, we use map. The map of the whole world is called world map, right? So a book consisting of map is called atlas. It has many types of maps and now available in multimedia format also. A map also helps us to look at places. North आपका top पे होता है, south नीचे, इधर west, उधर east, right? So let's study about the ocean. If you look at the map, you will find that different areas are shown with the different colors. The area shown in blue color is water body. Between these is the land areas, and major part of the water on the earth is found in ocean. Ocean is very large body. There are 5 oceans. Basically, we have 5 oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. And the largest is the Pacific Ocean, and smallest is the Indian Ocean. और जो Indian Ocean है वो named after the country India. And there are long mountains, ranges, and branches on the ocean. So sea, bays, gulf, and rivers. These are some small water bodies that we see. If we talk about continent, we have 7 continents: Asia, Africa, ठीक है, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica. Largest Asia है, सबसे छोटा कौन सा है आपका? Australia. A very large area of land on the earth is called continent. 7 continent है: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Asia largest continent है, Australia smallest है. Continent are further divided into smaller parts. और उन्हों किस में divided? Country. और India lies in the continent Asia. So a sailor sailing in the sea uses an instrument called compass to find the direction. The needle of the compass, हमेशा आप देखोगे जो needle होती है ना compass की, वो north की तरफ point कर, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.